Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that was recently asked in the exams. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a beautiful city. You should say where the city is, how you knew the city, what buildings the city has, what is it famous for, and explain why you think it is beautiful. So as you all can see, there are 5 questions attached to this cue card and we need to make sure that all of these 5 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So this is quite an open-ended question and we can talk about any city that we know of, or maybe we have visited at some point of time, or maybe heard from someone. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams, or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. Alright, so let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. I have visited a number of places in my life, be it for educational purpose or for leisure, and today I would like to speak about a spectacular city named Toronto, which is located in the province of Ontario in Canada. So as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given a little bit of an introduction to the examiner and also clearly communicating what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to speak about. So we use the word spectacular instead of repeating the word beautiful, which was already given in the question. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, my uncle has been living there for over 2 decades and he shares insights about the city often, and that's how I came to know about it. So we have answered the first 2 questions, which is where the city is and how you knew the city. So we still have 3 other questions remaining, which is what buildings the city has, what is it famous for, and explain why you think it is beautiful. So let's answer those. Additionally, Toronto features a lot of high-rise buildings as well as skyscrapers and is quite renowned among travelers for its majestic Niagara Falls, which is amongst the world's largest waterfalls, CN Tower, which is a concrete communication and observation tower with a height of about 1800 feet, as well as the Royal Ontario Museum, which depicts the art and culture of different ages and countries, as well as the Ripley's Aquarium, which showcases a wide variety of aquatic animals, including sharks, and also has inbuilt underwater tunnels to provide an adventurous experience to tourists. So, as you all can see, we have used a lot of good adjectives here. So skyscraper means buildings that are very tall. Renowned is another synonym for famous. So we did not repeat the word that was already in the question and we used a better vocabulary word. So all these will enhance our band scores for a lexical resources part later on. Also, as you all can see, instead of just mentioning the names of the places that it is famous for, we have actually attached a little bit of a description to it as well. So instead of just mentioning Niagara Falls, CN Tower, Royal Ontario Museum, we have actually given a little bit of a description so that whoever is listening or the examiner, at least they know what the city is famous for if that person hasn't been to Toronto, right? Or say for example, if you're talking about any other city, maybe Kolkata or maybe Chandigarh, if you are just mentioning that it has rock gardens, a person who hasn't been to Chandigarh doesn't know what rock gardens is famous for, right? Or what Sukna Lake is famous for. So we are attaching a little bit of a description. Same with Kolkata, maybe people don't know what Eco Park is, right? Or maybe they don't know what Victoria Memorial looks like, so we have given a little bit of a description with each of them. Alright, so the last question, which is explain why you think it is beautiful, still remains. So let's answer that. Finally, the city is clean with lush green spaces, freshwater lakes, negligible levels of pollution, as well as provides a peaceful and serene atmosphere which further enhances its beauty and makes it a favorite tourist destination. So, negligible means with little or no pollution. Serene means something that is very calm or peaceful. Enhance means to improve or to make something better. And destination is another way of saying place or city. So we have used a lot of synonyms here and lot of good adjectives. You can add all of these words to your vocabulary list, and next time when you are practicing speaking, you can also add it to your conversation. Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.